How to use Microsoft Teams on an iPhone. To begin using Microsoft Teams, first download the Microsoft Teams app from the App Store and sign in using your account. At the bottom of the app, you'll see a menu with various tabs to access all of the features that Microsoft Teams offers. The first tab is the Activities tab. This is a newsfeed of all your notifications and alerts that you've had on Microsoft Teams. You can filter this feed to only see your own activity by selecting the drop-down beside Feed at the top of the screen and selecting My Activity. The next tab is the Chat tab. Here you can have conversations with individuals in your team. To create a new chat, select the New Post icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then enter the name of the person you'd like to message. To add a message, begin typing your message in the message field and click Send. In the top right corner of your chat, you'll also see a video icon and a phone icon. These allow you to make video or voice calls with the people in your chat. The next and most important tab is the Teams tab. You can have multiple teams created in Microsoft Teams, and this could be divided by departments, subdepartments, distribution lists, projects, and more. To create a new team, select the user icon with the plus sign in the top right corner. Then select Create a Team. To begin creating your team, enter your team name, a quick description, and you can set your privacy settings. By setting it as private, only the team owner can add members, and by setting it as public, anyone in your organization can discover and join your team. If you don't want anybody discovering your team, you can unselect the discoverable toggle just below. Once all of your settings are complete, click Done. You can then add members by entering their name or email address. And once all of your members are entered, click Done. Your team has now been created, and Microsoft Teams has automatically generated a general channel. This houses all of your conversations and content for your team. If you want to create subtopics for your team so that all of this content can be further divided, you can create additional channels by selecting the three dots beside your team name and selecting Manage Channels. To create a new channel, select the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen. Then enter your channel name, add a quick description, and set your privacy settings. Your privacy can either be set to standard, which makes the channel accessible to everyone on your team, or private, which makes it accessible to a specific group of people. Once your details are made, click Done to create your channel. Under each channel is a Posts tab. This allows team members to share messages with each other. To create a new post, select New Post at the bottom of your screen. You can begin your post by typing your message. Just below the message field, you'll see various icons which you can use to customize your post. By selecting the image icon, you can add images either by creating a new one through your camera or selecting a pre-existing one from your camera roll. By selecting GIF, you can access Microsoft Teams GIF library. You can add attachments by clicking the attachment icon, tag other team members using the app button, and if you want to access further formatting options, you can select the A button. When you're ready to send your post, click the Send button in the bottom right corner. If you find a post has important information in it, and you want to save it so that you can easily access it at a later date, you can select the three dots on the right-hand side of the post and click Save to save the post. You'll see that the post has been saved when you see the banner appear on the right side of the post. Under your channel, you can also select Files, and this displays any files that have been shared in your channel. To add a new file, simply click the Add button at the bottom of your screen. If you ever need to edit the details of your teams or channels, you can select the three dots beside your team name. Here you'll be presented with options to manage members, which includes adding or deleting members, managing tags, managing your channels. You can leave your team as an individual, edit your team details, or delete the team completely. The next tab is the Calls tab. Calls allows you to make video or voice calls through Microsoft Teams. It will also display any calls that you've made or received. To start a new call, click the phone icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then enter the individuals you'd like to call and click the phone again on the right side. Finally, under the More tab, you have further options for Microsoft Teams. You can select Files to view all the files that have been shared in Microsoft Teams, as well as access to your OneDrive cloud storage. By selecting Camera, you can use your phone's camera to take photos and instantly share them on Microsoft Teams. You can also select the Saved icon, and this is where you can access all of your saved posts or messages for quick referencing. The last area of Microsoft Teams to note is your availability settings. To set your availability, you can go to the menu icon in the top left corner of the app. As you can see, we are currently set to available. By clicking your availability, you'll be presented with other options. You can set your availability to available, busy if you're in a meeting or an appointment, do not disturb if you're deep in work, away, or be right back. You can reset your status by clicking Reset Status. And that's how to use Microsoft Teams on an iPhone. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.